Here's how to fix apps crashing after last iOS update. The first solution is you have to restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, press the volume up button one time, down button, and hold down the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release your finger from power button. And now here we can see my iPhone is forced restarting. Now go ahead and unlock your iPhone and then go ahead and try to reopen the app and check the issue. And the second solution is you have to delete the specific app on your iPhone. So for example, whenever you try to open the Facebook app, the app is automatically crashing, then we have to delete the Facebook app. So long press on Facebook app and tap on delete app, tap on delete, and to reinstall the app, go to your app store and search for the app, and from app store reinstall the app and check the issue. And the next solution is check for any new iOS update. So go to your iPhone settings app and this time tap on general, tap on software update, and here if you see any new update available, then update the new iOS version, and this will fix the app crashing problem on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.